Good days everyone, my name is Clarence with Ujas and my matrix number is BT12003. So today I want to review a product that I have been decided, and the product is keyboard from MageGee MK box. Okay guys, this is the overview of this keyboard, and the type of this keyboard is wired mechanical keyboard, and for the keyboard standard is 68 keys keyboard. For the interface type of this keyboard is USB. Meanwhile, the size of this keyboard is, for the length of this keyboard is 308mm, and for the width is 101mm, and for the weight of this keyboard is only 0.56 kilogram, so it's quite light, so that you can bring this keyboard anywhere you want. So what is the special thing about this keyboard and why do you need to buy this keyboard? So I'll explain it to you. So this keyboard have a portable 68 keys layout, and it have a unique layout design on the premise of ensuring complete functionality to minimize the size to 31cm for the length and 10cm for the width. Because of this keyboard is very small, so it can saving your desktop space, and also it's come out with the plus pluggable USB cable, so it's very convenient to carry. And also this keyboard you can use it either you want to use it for the work, games or daily use, it will perform perfectly. Okay guys, not only that, this keyboard it comes up with illuminated keyboard features. So what is illuminated keyboard features? It's a keyboard that features have lights inside the keyboard. So as you can see, the light inside the keyboard is blue, and it's really quite interesting for me. So also these keyboards have a clear bright backlight and lettering on the keycaps that won't be scratched off. And also this keyboard is bringing you a pure crystal visual and user experience. So guys, the last but not least about the features of this keyboard, it's have anti-ghosting 68 keys. So what is anti-ghosting 68 keys do? So it can allow you to press many keys at the same time and have them all registered, or it allows multiple keys to work simultaneously with high speed. With aluminum and apps construction, custom mechanical switches, a professional control chip, it's providing the highest quality insurance with great durability and stable performance. So it will let you enjoy high-grade games with fast response. And also this keyboard is, I very recommend this keyboard for gamers, typers, programmers, writers, and etc. So guys, I think that's all from me for the product review. So I hope you guys will buy this mechanical keyboard, and because it will not gonna waste your money. And I think that's all for me. Thank you, goodbye, and take care.